Built for durability, designed for peace of mind. SteelDrop is engineered to last, even under demanding conditions. Crafted with premium materials, it requires no maintenance for at least 5 years, but on average, you can use it for 15 years without any service expenses, making it a smart investment for frequent travelers. Backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and post-warranty expert support, you can enjoy stress-free adventures knowing that help is always available. Trusted by over 500 adventurers across the world, SteelDrop stands out not only for its classic teardrop design, inspired by the iconic 1950s retro style, but also for its vibrant community of owners. By joining the LifeStylecamper family with your new SteelDrop or X-Line, you become part of an exclusive group of travel enthusiasts who share tips, honest reviews, and real-life stories. Built with premium, sustainable materials, SteelDrop combines timeless aesthetics with unmatched reliability. It's not just a teardrop camper, it's a statement of your adventurous lifestyle. Ready for any terrain, SteelDrop is equipped with a sturdy chassis and durable ALKO suspension, ensuring smooth performance even on rugged terrain. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it ideal for navigating narrow, uneven roads where larger vehicles can't venture. With SteelDrop, the journey is just as thrilling as the destination. Maximum space, minimum footprint. SteelDrop offers a clever balance of compactness and spaciousness. It features a comfortable sleeping area for 2, storage space, and a fully equipped kitchen. Despite its compact dimensions, it supports up to 250 kilograms of cargo without compromising stability on the road. SteelDrop makes the most of every inch, ensuring you can bring everything you need without sacrificing comfort. Lightweight and easy to tow, weighing just from 500 kilograms, SteelDrop is perfect for towing with small cars or even electric vehicles. Its aerodynamic shape minimizes wind resistance, reducing fuel consumption during your travels. Thanks to its smart weight distribution, the SteelDrop maintains stability even on winding roads, providing a smooth and safe journey every time. Compact storage, big adventures. SteelDrop is designed for convenience. At just 3.7 meters long, it fits easily in a standard garage or regular parking spaces, saving you from the hassle and extra costs of storing larger campers. Its manageable size also ensures superior maneuverability, making it ideal for navigating the UK's narrow roads and scenic routes across the world. A fully functional kitchen for every adventure. Yes. SteelDrop's ergonomic kitchen includes a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner stove, a refrigerator, and modular organizers for all your essentials. Every feature is crafted with premium materials to withstand years of use while ensuring convenience and style.